Zinc is a vital trace mineral that is required for a healthy immune system and DNA repair. It also fights oxidative damage, plays a role in cell division and growth, enables a sense of taste and smell, speeds wound healing, and facilitates the breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Needless to say, a deficiency in zinc, something approximately 2 billion people worldwide suffer from. Keep watching to find out if you're at risk of zinc deficiency and discover what you can do about it. 1. Poor immunity. The immune system, our body's protection against infection and disease, is strongly influenced by our nutrient intake, including that of zinc. Zinc helps cell growth and facilitates production of the white blood cells that we need to fight bacteria and viruses. It also plays a role in apoptosis, or cell suicide, whereby cells that are no longer needed or are a threat to our health are programmed to die. 2. Slow-growing or damaged nails. Because zinc plays a role in cell division and growth and facilitates healing, not getting enough may mean your hair and nails suffer. The cells that produce skin, hair, and fingernails need steady levels of zinc in order to promote healthy growth in these tissues. As a result, you may notice white flecks or lines appear on your nails, or they may be slow to grow or prone to splitting. 3. Skin conditions. Pimples, cystic acne, and even some skin rashes can all point to suboptimal zinc levels. These conditions manifest because zinc assists in the proper structure of proteins and cell membranes, has anti-inflammatory effects, and even protects against the UV radiation that leads to premature aging. Research has found that men and women with serious acne have lower levels of serum zinc than blemish-free individuals. Zinc also interacts with and increases vitamin A, retinol levels in the body, another nutrient that plays a huge role in healthy skin. 4. Poor wound healing. Delayed wound healing is another common sign that you need more zinc in your diet. Without this important cofactor, cells struggle to divide and grow as quickly as they should, resulting in longer healing times. Research has found that topically applied zinc encourages wound healing and reverses deficiencies, as does consuming zinc from diet or supplements. 5. Depression or stress. Zinc has been found to be lacking in the serum of people experiencing depression. Incredibly, the more depressed someone is, the lower the serum zinc level. That goes for stress too, as typically when we are stressed, depressed, or both, our bodies require extra nutrients to deal with the physical implications of these emotions. How much zinc do I need? According to the National Institutes of Health, men over 19 years of age should aim for 11 milligrams of zinc daily, whereas women require just 8 milligrams. Those with a deficiency may initially require more to bring bodily levels back to normal levels. Best food sources of zinc includes cooked oysters, pumpkin, squash, and sesame seeds, chickpeas, kidney beans, and spinach are some of the many foods rich in zinc.